अड़काया करो शोले बेकार करो चिंगारी।
तो इसको लद्दाख लेके विंटर में
मर जाएगा
वैसे ही।
चार मार के आ जाएंगे साले।
तो वो तो पक्का चल रहा है वैसे।
तुम साथ हो जब अपनी
चादर उधर वाला जो ट्रक है भले एकदम भीड़ है लेकिन चला
चादर नहीं जाना यार,
चादर वो खराब है।
चादर नहीं जाना, चादर कुछ ज्यादा ग्रुप हो जाता है, बड़ा ग्रुप हो जाता है। बहुत लोग इसलिए करते हैं वो।
ग्रुप है
हाँ ये बंदे लेंगे।
बहुत ये मेहनत वाला
हाँ बहुत मेहनत वाला टेंडर है वो।
सामान उठाओ पहले तो।
इसको पूछना पड़ेगा।
पूछिए तो मुंताङ खुला है क्या कुछ?
वो यहाँ माथि उयो गएको गुम्पा के नाम क्या है?
दबाङ दबाङ
दोबाङ। हाँ हाँ यहीँबाटै जान्छ नि दादा?
युमथाङ खुला है क्या?
जिमथाङ बने
बंद है ना?
यस्तो फाटा छ कि
हजुर त्यहाँ पास देखाउनु पर्छ नि होइन गेट ए यहीँ होला दबाङ।
सोधे हेर्नु न एकताल
ल, ल।
क्या बोल गया?
कहाँ जा रहे थे?
हाँ वो बोल रहा दबंग जाने को मना कर रहा है ना?
मना बोल रहा है।
The idea was to go to Yumthang Valley in Lachen, but it's been heavy snowfall for last 2 days, so both the plans are cancelled. So now we have to go to Dubang Monastery and Mount Katao. So Dubang Monastery also closed, so the now only option is Mount Katao. And since we have not done any kind of research on this, we have zero expectation. So let's see how the place turns out to be.
हम लोग तो टॉप लेवल पे आया है क्या?
लग रहा है
ये बहुत दूर है,
वही।
15 किलोमीटर से ऊपर है।
और ऊपर
जगह अच्छा है ना?
सुंदर है सुंदर है। आप नहीं आए कभी इधर?
ना
चलिए फिर आप हमको पैसा दीजिए ना आपको घुमाने का।
Now this was really turning out to a blessing in disguise. None of us has ever thought that this place will look so beautiful, because whatever images and videos we have seen on blogs or YouTube videos were mostly of Zero Point or Lachen and some places close to that, or somewhat Yumthang also. But nobody ever mentioned about Mount Katao. So like, whatever we are seeing now and whatever going to come in the future, what we have heard from people, it's really unbelievable. We never thought that if we miss Lachen or Lachun, we'll get to see something like that. So now we actually reached a point where we can see some snowfall, and we wanted to come out of the car and enjoy the moment, but somehow we thought that we'll reach the peak and then probably we'll come out there and we'll enjoy some time with the snowfall. And the second part is the visibility is reduced a lot, so actually we were not able to see much clearer, and because of snow we could see some skidding as well in the tires, and chants are not allowed, so it was getting really treacherous for the driver to drive, and he is also new to this place. He never driven before on this particular area, and you can see we need to splash water on the windshield regularly to keep the visibility for us. So it was fun. At the same time, it was getting a bit challenging for the driver, not for us though.
चलो 18,000 फीट होता है,
3,700 हो गए।
4 तक जाएगा,
4 से ऊपर
4 तक जाएगा, कम से कम 10 किलोमीटर और है।
एक दिखा रहा था तो उसमें
हाँ?
रोड पे देखना कहाँ तक जाता है।
So the roads were getting steeper and steeper, and the ride was getting slower and slower. So the roads were turning out mushy now since the snow started melting. It's 12 o'clock in the noon and temperature is increasing slowly. So, and you'll be surprised to know the vehicle what we got. So it's an Alto. Initially we were very scared since the driver got Alto for us, but now at the last moment we didn't have any option to change, so we thought of giving it a shot. So far it's holding up very good, and I think we're approaching the peak now. So we just hope that it takes us back to our homestay without any halt in the middle. We also tried to calculate the height now with some smart device one of our friend has, and it shows us around 4,000 meters. So that's approximately 12,500 feet. Now considering that height and the vehicle what we got, we were a bit worried. So we almost reached the peak now. We can't go any further. There is a gate here, checkpost by Sikla regiment. Beyond that there is China border, so they won't allow us, and we have to stop here. So one of our friend is from defense, so try to talk to them, so but it didn't work out. They didn't allow us, but somehow they told us you can go a little beyond without the car by walk, and don't use camera and all, so I can't show you anything beyond this. And then probably spend some 15 minutes and we try to come back, and yeah, we have to stop here, and but it's a really good height. And we started our descent here, and we stopped at a couple of places to click some pictures and get some videos.
देख रहा है
कौन सा
हाँ मैं चढ़ता हूँ
बोल रहा
जा रहा हूँ क्रॉस करो
This place is something magical which we marked while going up itself. This is extremely beautiful, and somehow I regret that I was not able to capture the entire thing in the video properly. And one of the reason of that is I was so much mesmerized in the entire place that I was busy in looking the place, and I was just forgot that I could have captured in the video. We spent around half an hour to 1 hour here. We were sitting idle for some time and we were walking here. But this is exactly out of a wallpaper what you see in movies or in some kind of desktop wallpapers. So while going back, we will visit the Lachung Monastery as well, and this will end our trip. It was a great day, and we actually found something good in Mount Katao, which was not at all expected. So if you like the video, please do like it and share it with your friends. If you are interested in minimalist lifestyle and personal finance, please do subscribe the channel. we will be putting weekly content covering the two topics, the pros and cons of it, how to achieve that, and other related topics.